I ain't got awake yet. But anyway, I just showed up here to work. I actually went back to work yesterday. The rain's starting to slow down. It's cloudy today, but I don't think it's supposed to rain anymore. I'm waiting on somebody to come unlock the gate. I don't have a key to the gate, so I don't even want a key to the gate, but waiting for somebody to come unlock it. As you can see, it's sitting here at the gate waiting to get in. I don't know what I'll be doing today, because it is pretty wet. Some of this grass we can mow when it's wet. We can even mow it when it's raining, but we try not to, because it looks better if you don't. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing today. One thing I do know is it's hot. It's humid. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. I don't know where my clock is, but anyway, it's like 6 o'clock in the morning. It's already muggy hot. My skin's already like sticky. You know how you feel right before you start sweating. So yeah, it's gonna be another hot day. Anyhow, I'm gonna pause this. Actually, I'm gonna turn it off, and I'll just check back in with you throughout the day there. Anything cool goes on, I'll come back. All right, I'll be back. Hey, so I've been working a couple hours already since last time I seen you. What I'm doing is mowing. Today I'm mowing fairways. It's basically, you see the different heights. This grass right, get my hand right there, is lower than this grass right here. So this grass over here, all that is called a fairway, which leads up to the green. And what I'm mowing it with, can we get in there? This is called a reel mower, R-E-E-L. It's a very large machine. It has 5 of these reel mowers on there. Essentially what it is, like a big pair of scissors. See all 3 on the front. So what I'm gonna do is right now I'm trimming the outline of it. It gives me a beginning and ending point, because this is the rough. The higher grass I showed you over here behind me, that grass, it's called the rough. We keep it kind of high. And the part I'm mowing right now is the play area, where the ball should be. It ain't always where it's at, but it should be right there. So anyway, I trimmed the outline of it, or we call it the cleanup. So when I'm mowing the center part and I come to the edge, it gives me a visual where to stop mowing. I don't want to, run right off into other grass there. So I do that first. And I have 18 of these to do, which I've already done about. I've done 9 of them already, so I got 9 more to go. But that's what I'm gonna do today. Shouldn't take me a couple more hours. And then I'm gonna go get a blower and blow all this grass off that I've, where I've cut it. It's just laying there. Go get a blower and blow it all off. That's pretty much gonna be my job for the day. Normally I can get it all 18 done in about 4.5, 5 hours. But the grass has still got a lot of moisture in it from the rains. It's still pretty wet, so it's kind of like clumping up, I guess you could say. So I got to go a little slower with it and give it this machine time to cut. A good clean cut, not be real choppy and just look like crap. So yeah, it's gonna take me a little longer today, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. So let me get off here and get back to mowing. When I get on the blower, I'll bring you back and show you that. Well, I got done mowing. Been blowing all the grass off now. It's hot today. It's 98 degrees with the heat index way over 100. I mean, I'm soaking wet, sweating, but yeah. Here's the little gator, old beat up John Deere gator. This is the blower. It's what they call a buffalo blower. It's got a big 22 horse motor on it. I don't know if you can see in there, it's like a big turbo, wind turbine. And all the air comes out this nozzle. That's a pretty big nozzle. It's about 1, 2, about as wide as 3 of my hands. And it'll blow wind up to 200 mile an hour. man, I'm burning up. But yeah, it'll blow wind. I think it's got a wind speed of like 200 mile an hour or something like that. I know it blows a lot, but the sun probably has it bleached out. But if you look, that white looking area is the fairway. And the reason all this is green and it's kind of white looking is because all that dead grass is on there where I just mowed. So I got to blow all that off. It'll be just as green as that. But I want to take me a little break here in the shade for a second. Drink me some water. And yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Sounds like a good idea. Actually, I hear... No, I guess I'm going to get going. I hear the other mower. He's done caught up with me. I mow it early in the mornings. We blow it off. And then it gets mowed a second time. But I get this thing started up. It's going to get super loud. I mean, it's going to be really loud, so you might want to turn your volume down. And our switch is messed up on a little bit. But I got it out all the way down. See the grass moving? Yeah. It feels good. I can stand in front of it. But anyhow, I'm gonna get off here, try to get this done so I can go home. Yeah, that's pretty much what I do every day. Mow grass, blow it off, mow it again. Anyway, I hope y'all had a good day. Good night whenever you're watching this. Man, I'm burning up, it's hot. But yeah, I'll try to get back on here later. So I want to say hello to all my friends, subscribers, everybody.